So similar to the last video, I'm just going to give a sort of brief overview of how the partition jobs are done. Generally speaking, you'll get drawings which I'd imagine would be quite similar to this. It's just a check measure drawing from site, a few different measurements and a little bit of information. That generally gets turned into shop drawings like that, which would be for the client to approve, as discussed in the email. Same as before, we'll just make up a new project, interlock partitions, new project, sample, and we just fill in job information here, won't bother with that now. New purchase order. There should be shop drawing template. Okay, so now the template's here. Generally, he will draw his products down in this little section. So, in the case of this order here, open, there's just 2 cubicles here. Nothing too special in swing. So, he would come and find our partitions. It's a little cubicle, sorry. Been a while. Okay. So obviously in here there's a whole heap of different options depending on what you need. A lot of it's sort of set up to be standards. Obviously certain times you're going to need to do a job that's not a standard. This particular instance, it's just a pedestal mounted system, 1700 high, must be 2040 high, which is standard, 1965 wide. It's just a matter of coming in, putting in all your information, wherever it may be. I'll just do a quick one here, left return, right turn, those are both between walls, your nib widths, door openings, the swings. Obviously you can modify each one individually, sorry. So if you've got bay 1, you can change it to whether it be an ambulant, or a shower, etc., etc. Change internal widths, internal swings. You can change the type of hardware you use, different types of construction options, different things here for shop drawing, which the old guy used to use. I won't go into too much detail at the moment, but essentially just drop that in. And this pretty well used to be how he used to make his drawings. So we've got different windows set up here. If you've got Microvellum or AutoCAD experience, you should have a fair understanding of how that works. And then that's basically, long story short, how to do it. You can also do a front elevation. And obviously add dimensions. I believe the guy that used to do it used to explode this into 2D once he had the 3D drawing, and then dimension it all up because it was just a bit easier than trying to work with 3D dimensions. But as you can see, everything's basically there. Pretty easy to dimension once it's done.